Pocono, the penultimate race in the regular season last week at Nashville. Alex Bowman won and put everyone to sleep. Who's going to win today? Here you go. Green flags in the air. We're under. We have and Pocono. Whoa, Wallace is on top of Larry Carson. Trapped and almost went upside down. Here you go. We're back under. As Kosovar gets spun by Bubba Wallace is upside down. Here you go. Two more laps to go. Oh, Byron. He's upside. Oh, Friesen is upside down. Here we go. Two more laps to go. Oh, they wreck again. And this will mean it will define the regular season. We're gonna have a regular season championship battle. Here we go. 2 more laps to go. Smith gets turned. You'll take the wait for one. Go. Smith is spinning in the big reason. And Alex Bowman will win burn it down. See you tomorrow for the regular season finale at Richmond.